Inside one of the world's biggest bread factories, thousands of loaves begin their journey every single hour. Everything starts with perfectly measured ingredients mixed by powerful automated machines. Tons of flour travel through sealed pipelines into massive mixers with incredible accuracy. Advanced kneading systems stretch and fold the dough to create the perfect texture. Within minutes, the dough transforms into thousands of evenly shaped portions. Smart divider machines cut the dough into perfectly equal pieces. Robotic rollers shape each portion into smooth bread loaves. Each dough portion is carefully placed into baking molds automatically. Inside giant proofing chambers, the dough slowly rises to become light and fluffy. Precision sensors constantly monitor the perfect conditions for rising. Next, the loaves enter enormous tunnel ovens stretching across the factory. Inside these ovens, thousands of loaves bake evenly at controlled temperatures. Minutes later, fresh golden loaves emerge from the ovens. The bread then travels through towering cooling systems. Powerful slicing machines cut every loaf into perfect slices. Automated robots package the bread at incredible speed. Each loaf is sealed and labeled for freshness. Factory engineers monitor the entire process using smart control systems. Advanced sensors inspect every loaf for perfect quality. Robotic arms stack the packaged bread onto pallets. From there, the bread moves into a massive automated warehouse. Workers supervise the systems to keep production running smoothly. Autonomous robots transport pallets across the facility. Every hour, this factory produces thousands of fresh loaves. Automated loading systems prepare the bread for delivery. From this facility, bread is shipped to stores across entire regions. Every loaf represents precision, automation, and modern food engineering. It's a stunning example of industrial efficiency at its finest. And it all happens every single day to bring fresh bread to millions of people.